down here at the bottom, trying to get some separation between the different squash.
I think I might actually get maybe a stencil or something and add a little bit more detail to the background or something. It just seems like we missed a step somehow.
We did?
I don't know. Did you add detail to your background?
Right here. See?
Oh, okay. You added dots. All right. That makes sense.
Yep, I did.
Oh, I didn't. So now I got to go back and figure out how to fit that in.
It says add some marks, visual texture into your painted image, and that's what I did. I added visual texture.
I added visual texture to the foreground, but not the background.
Well, and that's fine. I mean, that's basically what it asked you to do, was to add some. But you're saying you want some more.
I just feel like it's got maybe, I don't know.
I mean, I'm feeling like mine, if I did too much more, would just become very busy. And I don't want it overly busy. I would actually like to mute some of that.
Yeah, you have a lot of images on yours, so
yeah,
it could get a little crazy if you.
Yeah, and see, that's because I added all that stuff in the background. I could take, I don't know if I have a white that would mute that or not. Don't really want white.
Off-white.
I think it's going to be a neutral of some sort.
Yeah, I'm using Titan Buff.
Yeah, this is called Sand Ridge pigment. And I think I'm going to add some Sand Ridge and blend out some of this. Kind of push that back a little bit.
I don't know, is it too simple? I don't know.
Yeah, I think I like that pushed back a little bit more. So Sand Ridge it is.
Sand Ridge.
It's just a little bit too much contrast and texture there. And that is a week's worth of journal page. Can you believe it?
I really still feel like I need something in the background.
Each week we will do a daily prompt in the Facebook group. And then at the end of the week, we will be posting the video, the complete video, on our YouTube channel.
Yes, that is the plan. And we will, each week we'll focus on a different type of primitive art from a different area or time. And we hope that you will join us in playing along with our challenge this month, October 2022.
Which is why, primitive art is very childlike, very easy to start with. So I think anybody should be able to pick up a coloring book, a pen, a journal, just have some fun and play. Don't be intimidated by prompts and all of that. Just let your work flow.
Yes, absolutely. And I hope that you enjoyed this, and we will see you at the beginning of next week.
With some more fun.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Bye, guys.